Hey everyone, and thank you for joining us today in this episode of CBD 101. My name is Erin, and I am the Manager of Training and Education for Nature's Ultra. And today I am joined by Becca. She's the Assistant Manager of Nature's Ultra Training and Education. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Erin. I'm very excited to get started.
Great, let's jump right in. We're going to talk to you about how to make a body butter as well as body lotion and massage oils. Now keep in mind these are very personal recipes that you're going to come up with, so choose the oils that you feel really good with. First though, let's talk about the CBD that we are going to use in our concoctions today. So the first we have is our Nature's Ultra, of course, Cool Mint CBD oil. And then we have our Nature's Ultra Citrus. And we have our Nature's Ultra Cinnamon. So let's first start with the body butter. This one is going to take the most time. So this one I would plan about an hour for this one. Not in the whole making, but just in having it ready from start to finish. So the first thing you're going to want to do is choose a really high quality shea butter. When you get a high quality raw shea butter, it's going to look a little bit kind of like cottage cheese. It's going to be very grainy, and it's going to be this little kind of a pale yellow color. So you could totally put this on your skin as is, but it's not going to go in very smooth. So what you want to do is you actually want to take this and you just want to put it in a saucepan, and you can just put it over low heat, let it melt down, let all the little clumps that are in there basically get absorbed until the oil is just a nice melted consistency. Once that is melted, pour it into a bowl and put this in the fridge. And it's going to actually be the same color, but it is going to be smooth. Once that has solidified in the fridge, you are going to take it out and you're going to whip it up. And once it's nice and fluffy, you can actually add in coconut oil if you'd like. You're going to add in one of your choices of CBD oil, and then you're going to add in any additional essential oils, Young Living of course. So tell us, what are some recipes that you would use? Which CBD would you use? And which essential oils would you use for this body butter?
Well, you know, Erin, it's getting kind of cold out. We're entering the cold winter months, so I think I'd want to go with something a little bit warmer. I think I'd choose the CBD cinnamon oil and then maybe some frankincense, or if I was wanting a note of citrus, I might add in some orange. But I think that is what I would go with.
I love that. And I think cinnamon goes so well with citrus. So once again, she would put in this Nature's Ultra Cinnamon CBD oil, and then she might add in the orange or some other floral essential oils in there. So then once you have that all whipped and mixed, you're gonna put it into a container. And then you can store this and have it all through the winter. And this is going to be great during the driest parts of winter, whether it's dry outside, it's dry here in Utah, but also the driest parts of your skin. This is going to be really, really wonderful. Okay, so now let's talk about a body lotion.
Perfect.
Here. Okay, excellent. So once again, we have our CBD oils, and then we are going to take our favorite body lotion, whatever that might be. So we have the Young Living Lavender here, but any body lotion that you love, you can choose. This one's gonna be a little quicker. You can do this in about 5 minutes. Put it into a bowl, and then I like to take a whisk just to get it a little bit fluffy, and then it gets a little bit whipped. So you can put your lotion in here, and then your CBD oil, and then any additional essential oils. So tell me what you would do for this body lotion.
With my lavender, I kind of like a sweet note with my lavender. So I might go again with the citrus CBD oil, and then I might add something floral in, like geranium, just to give it a little floral kick to it.
That would be great for the summer. Not as heavy as a body butter, right? So that's something that is going to be light that you could use all through the summer. We're in a very dry state, and so we use lotion all year long, not just in the winter. So I love that. That's a really great recipe. Okay, our last one that we're gonna do is our massage oil. So we have these 6 here, and then we also have the massage oils by Young Living, of course, the relaxation. But any oil that you really enjoy that you can add one of our wonderful CBD oils to, and then any additional essential oils. You'll just want to put your oil in a bowl, add your CBD, add in your essential oils, and I would just pour it back into these bottles because then they're easy to dispense. So tell me, what would you do with these ones?
honestly, I think I would take the V6 and pair it with our Cool Mint CBD oil and then maybe some of Young Living's Copaiba oil.
Ooh, I love that. That sounds really, really awesome. And then that can be used throughout the year, right? Who doesn't love a great massage? And this is something too that you can use on your whole family. So this is a really great versatile product. Okay, so now that we have given you some of these DIY recipes and concoctions, we hope that you start making these in your home for your friends, for your family. Holidays are coming up, so these are great gift items. So you could put these in cute little jars, put a ribbon, put a little recipe card on there that says exactly what is in it, and then gift it. And that's something that is very personal to that person. They love lavender, then do a lavender. They love geranium, do geranium. I love mint. Give me anything peppermint and I'd be good. What's yours?
Honestly, I'm really loving the cinnamon these days. So
I know that.
yeah.
I was gonna guess. Thank you so much for joining us in this episode of CBD 101. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below, and we will see you next time.
Thanks, guys.